Hi children, exercise 6.1, fourth head. See the children, fourth head, find the ratios of the following their simplest form. Okay, find the ratios. First one, 25 minutes to 55 minutes. This one first convert into ratio. 25 minutes is to 55 minutes. Both are in same units. Minutes, this one also minutes. Okay, now how can you solve this sum? Let's check. 25 minutes to 55 minutes. Solution: 25 minutes is to 55 minutes. Okay, both are in same units. Minutes cancel. 25 is to 55. Okay, and simplest form. This one also convert into simplest form means they no common factors. Here both are divisible by 5 table. Last digit is 5. Both are divisible by 5 table. 5 5s are 25. 5 11s are 55. This is the answer. Okay. 5 and 11. 5 is a prime number. 11 also prime number. No common factors. Okay. Now second one, 55 seconds to 30 minutes. Okay. This one in seconds. This one in minutes. Both are in same units means you should write 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Here how many minutes are there? 30 minutes is equal to 30 into 60 seconds. 30 into 60 seconds. 6 3s are 18, 2 zeros seconds. 30 minutes is equal to 1800 seconds. 30 minutes is equal to 1800 seconds. This one right side. Now change this one. 45 seconds is to 30 minutes. 30 minutes means how many seconds? 1800 seconds. 1800 seconds. Now this one second, this one second. First both are converted, both are in the same unit. After you can cancel the same units. Okay. Now 45 is to 1800. Here both are divisible by 9 table. 1 sub 0. 9 5s are 45. 9 2s are 18. 9 5s are 45. 9 2s are 18. 2 zeros. Okay. 9 table. Here 205. It is divisible by 5 table. 5 1s are and 5 4s are 20. 20 0. This one 5 table. Okay. 1 is to 40 is the answer. Children. Third one, 4 meters 20 centimeters to 8 meters 40 centimeters. Here both are in meters and centimeters are there. First convert into all are in centimeters. Okay. You know the 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Here 4 meters are there. 4 meters is equal to 400 centimeters. Second one, 8 meters. 8 meters is equal to 800 centimeters. Okay. Now write 4 meters. 4 meters means 400 centimeters plus 20 centimeters is to 800 centimeters plus 40 centimeters. Okay. 400 plus 20. 420 centimeters is to 840 centimeters. 840 centimeters. Now centimeter cancel. Here 0 and 0 also cancel. 42 is to 84. 42 is to 84. Here 42, you can see, observe the children, 42 exactly 2 times 84. 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. That's why 1 is to 2. This is the answer. Okay. First convert into 4 meters, 400 centimeters plus 20 centimeters. 420 centimeters. Here 8 meters, 800 centimeters plus 40 centimeters, 840 centimeters. Centimeter cancel and 0 also cancel. 42 is to 84. Then 42 table, 42 into 2 is equal to 84. Then 2 times. Okay. Now see the second one. Next, fourth sum. 5 liters to 0.75 liters. Here decimal number is there. The decimal first convert into fractions. 5 liters is to 75 by 100 liters. 75 by 100 liters. This one here fraction is there. This one convert into milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Here 5 liters. 5 liters means 5 into 1000. 5000 milliliters is to 75 by 100 into 1000 milliliters. Okay. 5 into 5 liters. 5 liters is equal to 5 into 1000. That is equal to 5000 milliliters. Okay. Now 2 zeros cancel. ml also cancel. 5000 is to 75 into 10. 750. Okay. 0 cancel. This one 25 table. 25 twos are 50 and 0 20 and 25 threes are 75. 20 is to 3. Here 25 table. 25 threes are 75. 25 twos are 50. 25 twos are 50. That's why here 2 times 50 and 0 is there. Here 75 is there. 3 times 75. 20 is to 3. That is the answer. See the next sum. 4 weeks to 4 days. This one very easy. Weeks convert into days. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 7 days. 4 weeks. 4 weeks is equal to 4 into 7 days. 4 into 7 days. Total how many days? 28 days. 4 weeks is equal to 28 days. Then you should write 4 weeks. 28 days is to 4 days. 4 days. Days to days cancel. 28 is to 4. 28 is to 4. Then cancel by 2 table. And 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja 18. Again 2 table. 2 1 ja 7 ja. 7 is to 1. Okay, 2 table. Here cancel by 4 table also. 4 1 ja 4. 7 ja 28. Again 2 table. 2 times 2 table. Okay, 7 is to 1 is the answer. In this one, last one, 5 dozen to 2 scores. Here given 1 score is equal to 20 items. Here 2 scores. 1 score is equal to 20 items. 2 scores is equal to 2 into 20. That is equal to 40 items. 40 items. But 5 dozens. Here given 5 dozens. 1 dozen is equal to, you know the 1 dozen? Very good. 1 dozen is equal to 12 units. Then 5 dozens. 5 into 12 is equal to 5 6 ja 60 units. 60 units. Okay. 5 dozen to 2 scores. 5 dozen. 5 dozen means 60 unit items. 60, 12 units are items. You can write is to 2 score. 2 score means 40 items. 40 items. Items cancel, 0, 0 cancel. 6 is to 4. Both are divisible by 2 table. 3 is to 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 2 table. Cancel by 2 table. Okay, 3 is to 2 is the answer. Okay. Now see the children, exercise 6.1, fifth sum. Rahim works in a software company and earns 75,000 rupees per month. He saves 28,000 per month from his earnings. Find the ratio of first one, his savings to his income. Second one, his income to his expenditure. Third one, his savings to his expenditure. Here given only ఎర్న్స్ 75,000 పర్ మంత్ ఎర్న్స్ ఇచ్చారమ్మా, తన శాలరీ ఇచ్చారు. అండ్ సేవ్స్ 28,000. హీ సేవ్స్, అతను సేవింగ్ చేసేది 28,000 అని ఇచ్చారు, కానీ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ ఇవ్వలేదు. హౌ కెన్ యూ ఫైండ్ ద ఎక్స్పెండిచర్? అంటే టోటల్ శాలరీలోని ఇంత సేవింగ్ అయిందంటే మిగతా అమౌంట్ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్, అంటే టోటల్ శాలరీ మైనస్ సేవింగ్స్, ఇట్ బికమ్ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్. దీనిలోంచి శాలరీలోంచి సేవింగ్స్ మైనస్ చేస్తే మనకు వచ్చేదాన్ని ఎక్స్పెండిచర్, అంత ఖర్చు అయ్యింది అని మనం అనుకుంటాం. ఫస్ట్ యూ షుడ్ ఫైండ్ ద ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ వాల్యూ. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ సేవింగ్స్ టు ఇన్కమ్. సెకండ్ వన్ ఇన్కమ్ టు ఎక్స్పెండిచర్. యూ షుడ్ ఫైండ్ ద థర్డ్ వన్ సేవింగ్ టు ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ రేషియోస్. ఈ 3 రేషియోస్ మనం ఫైండ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, రైట్ ద టోటల్ ఇన్కమ్. ఫిఫ్త్ సమ్, టోటల్ ఇన్కమ్. Total income is equal to 775,000 rupees. Okay. Next, savings. What is the how much savings? 28,000 rupees. Savings is 28,000 rupees. We can do the subtraction, that is called expenditure. Expenditure is subtraction 0, here also 0, 0, here 5, 8 is a bigger number than carrying. 15 minus 8, 7, and here 6 is there, 6 minus 2, 47,000 rupees expenditure. 47,000 rupees expenditure. I should first one find the ratio of savings to income. Savings to income. Income. What is the saving? 28,000 rupees is to income. What is the income? 75,000. 75,000 rupees. Here rupees cancel. Here 3 zeros also cancel. 28 is to 75. These two are no common factors, that's why 25 is to 75. Second one, income to expenditure. Income to expenditure. To his expenditure. What is the income? 75,000 income. 75,000 rupees is to expenditure. How much expenditure? 47,000 rupees. Here both are in same unit. Rupees cancel. Here also 3 zeros. 75 is to 47. This is the ratio of income to expenditure. Third one, his savings to his expenditure. Savings to his expenditure. How much savings? 28,000 rupees is to expenditure. How much expenditure? 47,000 rupees. Okay, rupees cancel, 3 zeros and 3 zeros. 28 is to 47. This is the ratio of the three values. Okay.